Every programming language has got a bunch of built-in types for representing data. In Kotlin, we have got these built-in types: Boolean, which represents either true or false literals; char, which represents character literals; string, which represents a sequence of characters; and for integer numbers, there are a bunch of types which differ based on their acceptable range. Byte represents integers that 1 byte of memory can hold. Short represents 2 bytes of memory. Int represents 4 bytes. And long, which stands for long integer, represents integer numbers that 8 consecutive bytes of memory is capable of holding. For floating point numbers, Kotlin has got the float and double, which take 4 and 8 bytes of memory respectively. Of course, double can represent numbers with higher precision, both in smallest and biggest fractional numbers. Since types are classes, literals are instances of those, hence are objects, and we can call functions upon them. Char literals are defined by single quote. String literals are defined by quotation or triple quotations for multi-lining. For integers, all literals are of type int, unless you explicitly specify it as long with L suffix. Now what about literals for other integer types? For them, if you assign integer to a variable, it will take the recipient type. For non-integer numbers, all literals are double on their own, but you can specify it as float with F suffix. Also, you can use hexadecimal and binary literals, and all of the rules of integer literals also apply here. If you need variables that does not overflow in the arithmetic operations, you can use big integer and big decimal, which can hold as many digits as they need. One last thing to mention, and that is in Kotlin, there are no implicit conversions on your behalf. Although it might seem safe, you have to convert it explicitly. For more videos and to see these in action in a real-world Kotlin application written from scratch, head to our YouTube channel.